guys, it's Catherine here again, and today we're going to make another insert. This one's different from the last time. That was a notepad type insert, and this time we're going to make something for your daily spread. Okay, so we're going to start the way I like to, which is coming here and making a big box in the exact size and shape you want your insert to be. And again, the reason for that is so that we know what kind of space we have to work with. Okay, I'm going to move that to the center, and I'm actually going to draw a line down the center. And I'm not going to worry, it's not quite even, but that's okay. I'm not going to worry about it right this second. I'm just going to get my cut lines in. To be honest, you don't really have to put cut lines on every single page. I usually do, and I don't know why. You really just need it for the cover more than anything else. So here we go. Let's move this to the center. And you know what, actually, let's group these first. That makes the most sense, I think. Okay, so this is one big piece. Center. Center. Okay, so for pocket size, we know we have these two sides to work with, and we're going to keep it super, super basic this time, okay? So let's come over here to the lines, and we're going to give a weight to these lines and a color. So now they'll print gray. Okay, then we're going to pick our background. You can do a solid color, you can do a pattern background, whatever you want to do. I'm going to use a pattern background today, and I am looking for something specific. Here we go. Okay, I think this one will be fun. Okay, now there's two ways to do this, okay? Let's just grab a shape. I think this one will be fun, the nice rounded rectangle. Just gonna draw that there and show you. I'm gonna highlight my shape. Okay, now you can make boxes that are completely opaque, and then you've just got that really pretty pattern background in the background, or duplicate, or you can increase the transparency so that you'll still see it no matter what. And remember, these red lines aren't going to print, okay? But the choice is yours. So you can kind of do what you want to do. What I'm going to do is just kind of move these out of the way, and I'm going to measure them up. So we know 3.5 and then 5.5. So how do I want to do this? I know I'm going to want space at the top, and I think we're going to make smaller boxes so that you can write in the date. I don't want it to be all one big thing there. So I'm actually going to bring this down to 1.25. I think that's going to be the best size. And the great thing about this is when you make these yourself, you can make the stickers to fit your specific inserts. Okay, and then we're going to fill that with white. Let's clear our workspace. Okay, so duplicate. I think I like it. You know what? Let's try this. Oh, I like it better. Okay. Play around with it, decide what you want. Oops. Yep, that looks good. Okay. So I'm going to pick these up. And you can sit here and you can do it like this. Or you can come over to the replicate window and just make it work. Okay? There's no right or wrong way to do it. Okay? And this is one of those fun things because it almost kind of reminds me of like a little jar. You could use, if like you have clip art that you want to use, you can use that to make the boxes. Like grab a mason jar. Clip art, that would be really cute. And now if you want more space, with more of that background showing, you know, you just keep fussing with it until it's what you want to see. And I always, always, always have a ruler right next to me, because although my computer screen is almost exactly like to scale, there's just something about like holding something in your hand and you can say, okay, yes, this is going to work, or no, it's not. So let's see, this is, hold on, I can't see. Okay, so just shy of 2 inches. That's going to be more than enough for me. And what's really fun is you can just hit duplicate and then make your own box stickers. Oops. I am still adjusting to the new software update, so I don't know if any of you have updated your software. There's always that little bit of a learning curve, even if you're familiar with it. Where is the one I want? What I love is a search feature over here. Okay, here we go. These are my money ones. Perfect. So, and then you can do this. We're going to go to the offset panel. If you guys remember that. Internal offset. Okay. And I'm just going to do what the set internal offset is. I'm going to click on that inside one. Okay. And we're going to go to fill color. And there you go. That's a box sticker that will fit right inside the boxes that you just made. So that's something that I like to do. I'll make an insert and then I'll just duplicate one of the shapes right then and there, and then I'll save it with that insert. But remember, you always want to go and make sure that you've turned off those cut lines, because when you do go to cut this out, it's going to be very sad when you get the inside and the outside. And yes, I've done it before. I think most people will do it at some point. I don't bother with these cut lines because I will never cut my inserts with my silhouette. I won't do it. So let's just move everything out of the way. And delete. Group this together. And there you have it. That's your insert. Okay? You're going to print, oops, group. So they all stay together. And you can print it like this, or my preferred way to print one of these would be to rotate it. And then just be sure that it is centered to the page. It is, so that I know that when I go to print this, it's not going to be all off center. Okay, it's perfect. You can print it out and poof. You have your own custom inserts that will match your kit. All right, that's all for this time, guys. Bye.